Prime Minister Stephen Harper came to the defense of one of his senior ministers today. The Minister for Canada's North, Leona Agluka, is under fire from some of her constituents. Residents of Rankin Inlet say food prices there are so high they're being forced to scour garbage dumps for food. One local politician blamed the federal government, and Ottawa's response? There's nothing to see here. Vashi Kapelos has the story.
A peek at the high prices at a grocery store in Rankin Inlet explains why this is happening. Residents digging through garbage to find food.
Put it on Facebook. In less than 5 minutes, there'll be lots of people coming here racing with a Honda.
People in the northern hamlet told the Aboriginal People's Television Network they spend at least $400 a week on groceries.
This is nothing new. We have been telling the federal government for over a decade that there's food security issues in many First Nations, but especially in the north.
Ottawa subsidizes prices to lower them through a program called Nutrition North. Rankin Inlet's Deputy Mayor Sam Tutanowic says it's not working.
It's unfortunate that the decision-making people can't put their foot down and say, here, okay, let's help you.
In a Facebook post, Tutanowic says he was asked to write an apology to the government for his comments. Tutanowic told APTN it was Nunavut MP Leona Agluka's office demanding the apology.
Those allegations are completely false.
Agluka denied asking Tutanowic for the apology, threatening legal action. She spent most of question period yesterday reading a newspaper. Today, she said healthy communities in the north are a priority.
The government's response is to deny and ignore the tragedy. Will the Prime Minister tell his minister to put down the newspaper and start doing her job?
The Prime Minister defending Agluka.
There is no doubt that the people of Nunavut have ever had stronger representation.
It appears that depends on who you ask.
The Auditor General is also criticizing Nutrition North. Last week, he said there's no way to be certain it's reducing food prices. The government insists the program is meeting the needs of Northerners. Donna?
Okay, Vashi Kapelos in Ottawa, thanks. People right across Canada are going to have to deal with higher prices at the grocery checkout next year. Food prices are predicted to outpace inflation for the second year running. The annual report from the University of Guelph predicts prices will rise by up to 2.4% next year because of extreme weather and a weaker dollar. Meat, fish, seafood, and vegetables lead the way, rising by up to 5%. Bacon lovers can rejoice, though. Disease had reduced pork production, driving up prices by 25% last year. They should start coming down now. The price of grains and fruit are predicted to be stable. Overall, food prices have increased by 35% since 2004. For a further breakdown of which items will cost you more and which you can expect some savings on, you can go to our website, globalnews.ca. Up next, the